Hey friends, I'm back with another unbagging. This time it's from, I don't actually know where it's from. You'll see in the title of this video, but I got this in the mail today. No idea where it's from. It could be from one of two places, Mary's Diamonds or Treasure Studio Arts. I'm thinking it's from Mary's Diamonds. I don't like when things are shipped in these bubbly things. They're really hard to open. And they don't actually protect the painting that much. Okay. It is from Mary's Diamonds. Here's the thumbnail. Let me just put it the right way. And let's get out the drills. So round painting, it came with this little pack here, which is kind of cool. So there's a tray, diamond painting wax, 2 placers, and gold tweezers. And then these are the drills. I like that they came pre-packaged. That's helpful. Let's take a look at the canvas. So now I have a sneaking suspicion that these are Huacan, that they use Huacan for creating their diamond paintings because of the way it's wrapped. If I can open it, we can look at it. Okay. I can't remember the artist's name. I think it's like Alena something. I'll put it down in the description below. And there's tape on here. I was gonna cut it, but I feel like, yeah, cutting it is probably the best bet. Come on. Struggle, struggle. The struggle is real. I got part of it. Yes. Diamond painting unbagging fail. Okay. There we go. Get rid of this. Now I'm going to have to undo part of it. So it looks like there's 4 panels of double-sided adhesive. I'm just gonna let this part undo these, and then we can make it lay flat. If you didn't know, I was chatting with the Mary's Diamonds owner, and they were saying that they're getting new artists and redoing their canvases completely. And they listened to the feedback from other reviewers and their customers. Oh, it's on a foam roller. They listened to the feedback and are improving everything about their kits, from drills to the canvas, which is amazing. And so great that they listen to people. Now it is flat. So you can see by me just lifting up the ends, it flattens out. Here is their social media printed up here. The painting number, the thumbnail, which you already saw, and then here's the legend. You can see it has 48 colors. It measures 60 by 40. I do believe you had the option of getting this in a smaller size, but I wanted it in this larger size. Let's see, where's the top of this thing? I'm thinking over here is the top, so let's undo some of it. Yes. So I'm not going to take the whole thing off just because it will be annoying because there's 4 flaps. But we can look at some of the canvas itself. So here's part of her face. See her eyes and then her horns. Horns, antlers? I don't know. We'll look at the canvas. The drill field is pretty clear. I'm not seeing any issues. There are training wheels, so those circles around the symbols are called training wheels or guides, I guess. The only thing is if your drills are small, they won't cover up those guides, but I'm not a fan of them, but I'm not super opposed to them either. Oops. And then over here, you have the logo, Mary's Diamonds. Let me just fix this part over here. And then let's take a look at the drills. So here are the drills. They came pre-packaged, no inventory sheet. Update to this video, I'm just going to insert this clip in when I edit it. It did come with a inventory sheet. I found it in the bubble mailer after I was getting ready to put it in the recycling. So here's the inventory sheet. And now back to the video. Bye! We won't look at all of them just because there's 48 of them and I don't think that anyone wants to sit through that. So, I'll just take a quick look here. And if they do use Huacan as their supplier or their factory, I've heard good reviews about the circle or the round diamond paintings from them, but some bad things about the square diamond paintings from them. Like the drills will pop and stuff. So, just something to keep in mind, that maybe ordering squares isn't the best thing to do from them, but if they're redoing it all, then squares hopefully will be improved. I'm just looking at the purples because purple is my favorite color. This pink color. Oh, and the bag is open. Oh no. This color is really pretty. Not seeing a lot of trash or knobbly bits or anything like that, which is good. Find one with less diamonds in it so we can actually see. Yeah, I'm happy with these drills, and they do have the DMC numbers on them, so right there and right there, which is great. So those are our drills. I'm just going to bring up the canvas again. And so they do have a number of diamond paintings from this artist on their website. Currently, like as of today, they're artist collaborations, so they are licensed. The artist does get money from the paintings that you do buy. Currently, all their artist collaboration diamond paintings are 60% off, and then there's an additional 10% off code. I don't remember when the new website is going to be launched though with the new improved canvases, so you'll just have to wait and see. I'll put a link to Mary's Diamonds in the description box, and that's about all I have for you guys. If you have any questions about this painting, let me know, but it does look like a Huacan diamond painting just because it came wrapped like that, and this is how Huacan presents their paintings. But I like Mary's Diamonds. Like this is my first canvas from them, but I'm pretty impressed with it. I don't really have any complaints, and I like the fact that they listen to people and are taking their feedback and improving themselves. So yeah, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to watch more unboxings, hit subscribe. You can check back to my older videos and watch some unbaggings that I've already done in the past. Okay, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!